Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money.
Today we're taking a close look at the Soundcore by Anker Q20i Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones, wireless over-ear Bluetooth, 40H long ANC playtime, high-res audio, big bass, customized via an app, transparency mode, black.
Let's get into it.
We've all been there. You're in a train or stuck in a meeting, and the constant noise is driving you crazy. That's why we're super excited to share with you these game-changing headphones that promise to silence your world and help you focus.
Are you tired of distractions ruining your productivity?
These Soundcore by Anker Q20i Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones might just be the solution you've been searching for.
So, what makes these headphones so special?
First off, they boast a hybrid active noise cancellation system that uses 2 internal and 2 external microphones to detect and cancel out up to 90% of ambient noise.
It's like having your own personal sound engineer following you around everywhere you go. Just imagine being able to tune into your music or podcast without any distractions. It's pure bliss. But what really gets us excited is the audio quality. These headphones have oversized 40mm dynamic drivers that produce crystal clear sound with deep bass. They're like having a personal concert in your ears, and we can't get enough of it.
Whether you're commuting, gaming, or just relaxing, these headphones will transport you to a world of immersive sound.
Now, let's talk about the battery life.
We all know how quickly our phones can drain, especially when we're using them on the go. But with these Soundcore by Anker Q20i Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones, you can enjoy up to 40 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation, and an impressive 60 hours in normal mode.
That's like having a personal audio assistant following you around all day long.
But here's the best part: these headphones are ridiculously easy to use.
You can connect them to 2 devices at once using Bluetooth 5.0.
So whether you're working on your laptop or need to take a phone call, these headphones will seamlessly switch between devices for you. And with the Soundcore app, you can customize your sound to your liking with 22 presets and adjustable EQ settings.
It's like having your own personal audio engineer at your fingertips. One of our favorite features has to be transparency mode.
When you need to stay aware of your surroundings, these headphones let you switch out of noise cancellation and back into real-time sound.
It's like having a superpower that lets you tune in and out as needed.
Whether you're walking across the street or just want to hear what's going on around you, these headphones have got you covered. Overall, we've been thoroughly impressed with these Soundcore by Anker Q20i Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. They're not only ridiculously comfortable and stylish, but they also deliver top-notch sound quality and impressive battery life. If you're in the market for a new pair of headphones that will transform your daily commute or gaming sessions, we highly recommend giving these a try.
If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.